Hey you, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are giving you 4 reasons why you should apply for a job that you're not qualified for. Let's get started. After browsing through vacancies for weeks, you have finally found your dream job. You're excited, but your excitement soon turns into doubt as you read through the list of requirements. It seems like you don't meet the qualifications. Before you decide to look further for other jobs, we would like to present you with 4 reasons why you should just apply. 1. Preference. Yes, the hiring manager would love to find an employee who ticks all of their boxes, but they're also aware that this is nearly impossible. Therefore, they are always willing to compromise on their demands, and not all of the requirements that are listed in a job advertisement are a necessity for the hiring manager. Besides that, there are some skills and qualifications that the hiring manager holds in higher regard than others that you may not be aware of. 2. On-the-job training. You may be worried about having the right skills to fulfill the role. Of course, it would be wonderful if you already know the ins and outs of the job and can apply them in real time. But this will not always be the case, and that is alright, because at every job you will get on-the-job training. So, whatever you lack in skills and knowledge, you will gain during the on-the-job training. And even when the on-the-job training is completed, you will still have plenty of opportunities to ask questions and get help. 3. Experience. The job ad may list a minimum of experience, but that should not stop you from applying, especially when an employer asks for multiple years of experience and you already have at least 1 year of experience in that field. When you have other skills that are also being asked for in the job advertisement, having less or no experience at all becomes less significant. 4. You will never know until you apply. If you don't try, you'll never know. And the same goes for a job. If you don't apply for it, you'll never know if you may get the job. That is why you should always apply for a job, even if you're insecure about it. It may turn out better than you expect, and if you don't take a chance on yourself, the company will definitely not take a chance on you. Therefore, you should always send your application in and see where it brings you. Even if you don't get this particular job, the hiring manager may find that you're a great fit for another position, and just like that, you have another job. And yes, this means that you indeed did not get the position that you applied for, but if you receive another job offer, that is also great, right? As you can see, there are more than enough reasons for you to apply for a job that you may feel underqualified for. If you still have doubts about applying, just remember the hiring manager will fill the position anyway, so why not you? Go ahead and apply. Thank you for listening. If you want to read the information, you can find the link to the article in the description box. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and to follow Banks & Assurance Jobs on our social media to stay up to date on the latest vacancies and career advice.